In today's video, we're going to go over the top 5 features that I think are the most effective and quickest way to save you time and money with StocksToTrade. The first feature I love most of StocksToTrade, especially for new or busy traders, is Oracle. The great thing about Oracle, it is our algorithmic stock prediction protocol. So I know that's a lot of buzzwords going on there, but the beauty of Oracle is it uses not only technical indicators like Fibonacci's, moving averages, 52-week highs and lows, but it also takes into consideration fundamentals and key support and resistance levels on the chart. Now, I know I threw a lot of jargon at you right there, but the greatest thing about that is with one click every morning, you get a list of the 15 most potentially volatile stocks. Why do we like that? The volatile stocks are the ones that make the big moves up and down. That's how, as a day trader or a swing trader, you can look to maximize your profits each day you show up to trade, and all with one click. You don't have to do all the screeners that we're going to talk about later, which are great, but the beauty of Oracle is one click. Now, 15 stocks listed, potential entries, exits, as well as profit goals, all in a really cool graphic format. I love the Oracle bar because what that does is it lays out in a horizontal format along with my vertical chart entries, exits, goals, as well as stops. Remember, volatile stocks are great, but you have to have a stop loss. Some of the most successful traders out there only win 50, 60, 70% of the time. How can they be profitable and consistent, only winning 50% of the time? They know when to stop out. Oracle helps you with that. So check it out, one click, pre-built watch list, trade plans, as well as a graphic user interface. The second feature I love most to save you time and help you make money is our consolidated news and SEC filing feed. What that does is we have direct feed to the news releases as well as the latest SEC filings. So why do you care about that? Most of these stocks move based on news, whether that be a contract announcement, whether that be a product release, whether that be a sympathy play to other stocks that are moving. We look for news because these low price stocks, they love a catalyst. You know, when you have a catalyst, a reason to buy these stocks, remember, in the market, it's a supply and demand idea. The more demand you have, the more buyers you have, the more likely the stock is to spike. So the nice thing is, one box, all the super fast news coming in every minute, updated real time. You can one click and read that news. You're not jumping around to all these different websites, Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, all these different bookmarks, all these different places. It's in one spot. Then the next is SEC filings. That stands for the Securities and Exchange Commission. These are mandated filings that publicly traded stocks have to post. There's a lot of great information in there, especially when it comes to, you know, ownership stake, financials, profit and loss. These is information that you have to have. The nice thing is, in the past, we'd have to go to all these. We'd have to go to the SEC website. We'd have to go to the Edgar website. We'd have to go all these different places. StocksToTrade, one spot. News, SEC filings, all the information you need to decide if this is a stock you want to trade today. So number 3 is a news screener and filtering. So you go back to number 2, I talk about the beauty of StocksToTrade is we have this fire hose of information. Every press release, every announcement, every SEC filing. That powerful aspect of having all that information is great, but it can be a little bit too much. You know, if you're sitting there, we talk about Money Monday. Mondays are always one of the greatest days for press releases, announcements, etc. Well, some days there is just too much out there. And what I love, and we talk about saving time and money in this video, I can now filter that news for price, keywords, percent gain, and other criteria. So something that's great right now, at the time that we're filming this video, cannabis stocks are really hot, particularly these CBD infused drink stocks. So the nice thing is, if that's my target market, because I know those are the hot stocks, I can now filter the news to only show me cannabis related stocks. So I don't care right now about oil stocks or retail stocks or anything else. I can filter to just give me the hot sector because I know these are the stocks moving. So now I've got that laser focus. Saving time and money is having better focus, being more efficient. Also, I can filter out stocks that simply aren't moving on news. So the great thing is, we love to see the news, we love to trade the news, but a lot of the times, just because there's an article doesn't mean the stock's going anywhere. So I can now filter for volume as well as percent gain and price action. So now I'm more efficient, much more likely to be profitable because I only see the stocks in the sector I want that are moving. They're already moving, they're hot on the day, they have volume, and they're in the price range that I like. Now I go from 10,000 articles to maybe 10 articles a day. Fourth greatest feature to save you time and ideally make you money is our pre-built screeners and scanners. So one of the great things about StocksToTrade, and we'll talk about this in other videos, is we have infinite configurability when it comes to stock screeners. I think we have hundreds of criteria. Once you mix and match them, we have almost limitless potential for a stock screener. But if you're new, you're just getting into the game, maybe you're just looking to scan for stocks, that can be a little daunting. The nice thing is we have 50 plus pre-built scanners, one click. These have been built over the years with input from successful day traders like Tim Sykes, Tim Grittani, Stephen Ducks, myself. They're built in, already set, one click. You can see the biggest gainers, the biggest dollar movers, stocks that are moving on earnings, stocks that are at 52-week highs, 52-week lows. So now, as you get started learning to use the software, as you get started training, you're shortening your learning curve, you're shortening your path to profitability because with one mouse click, you can run these scanners. Then, as you get more advanced, you tweak your style, you can bring those pre-built scanners into the configurable scanner and then build on top of them. Great way to get started and save time. So the fifth and last feature I think that is great to save time and get you started quickly is what's called the high a day list, the low a day list, as well as the 52-week high and 52-week low scanner. This is something that I saved it for last because really as a seasoned day trader, I've been in this for 10 plus years now, if there is one feature that I have stared at longer in the last 5-6 years of my career and day to day today, it is that high a day list because we're in this crazy bull market. We've been in it since 2008, 2009. We've really ramped up here the last couple years. I want to see stocks that are breaking out, stocks that are bullish, that are hitting that high of the day as well as hitting 52-week highs. What's that mean? Why do I want to see them? Go back to the beginning of this video. It's the herd mentality. It's animal spirits. We want to trade the stocks that everyone else wants to trade. Hot commodity, when everybody wants in, what happens when everybody wants in to a popular concert or sporting event? What happens to the ticket price? It goes up. Same thing with stocks hitting the high of the day coupled with the 52-week high. That lights up on every day trader scanner, lights up on every momentum trader scanner, as well as a lot of swing trade scanners. Now we've got all these eyeballs. And one simple widget in StocksToTrade, I can see that. I can see every stock hitting the high of the day, and then they're highlighted whether or not they're also at a 52-week high. Super simple feature, but no BS. I literally stare at that probably 6 hours a day, every day. It's a huge feature, and it's a great way to help you find the stocks that are most likely to run through the day, as well as if you're more of a swing trader or under the pattern day trader rule, these are the types of stocks that can gap up the next day. Great for pattern day traders and part-time traders. So in summary, if you use these 5 tips, check out these features, use them every day, track. See, feel free to paper trade them small, but use these features, track the performance. It's a great way to save time and get you towards that ultimate goal of being a consistently profitable trader. Hey everyone, Lead Trading with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here. We'd like to thank you for watching our videos. We really want to help you learn, grow, and evolve and become a consistently profitable trader. We're proud of the tools we built in StocksToTrade and want to help you maximize your success. Be sure to check out the other videos over there, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.